Happy Mother's Day po to all mothers in the world. Ayan, thank you sa aking panganay. Nakatanggap po tayo ng gift. Birthday ko kahapon and sa itsumari nga to, so it means for Mother's Day na rin po. Thank you so much. Wow, thank you, Mom. Ang cute naman ang padala ni ate. Yan. Nakatuwa yung birthday ko, no? May 9, tapos Sunday is Mother's Day. Lagi nagkakasabay na siya. Thank you so much. I love you, anak ko. Sora Daichi and Umi, I love you, Earth, Sky, Earth, and Ocean. Thank you for the gift. Hi guys, good morning. Dito na tayo sa Niseki. Today is my fourth day of my disinfection. So, ayan guys. Ang gaganda ng bulaklak guys. Nalanta na sila. Ang lakas kasi na ulang kahapon. Ayan. Napakalakas ng ulang kagabi. Ngayon naman maganda na araw. Doon ako nakamparin yung doon. Ayan. So, papasok na tayo sa loob. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my fourth time of check-up or disinfection that I got from my surgery. Heal the world. Obstetrics for reservation. After ito mag-relax muna tayo sa Starbucks.